Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly access the internet browser on your PS5 Pro. So press the PlayStation button, go down to Game Base under here, and then go to a friend under Messages. So I have search-browser, so I just created to send messages to. I added them as a favorite, and type in bing.com, B-I-N-G, like this. If you try to type in google.com, it's not going to work. So you have to type in Bing. And this is a search engine, allows you to search for things. So if we open this up, we can go to google.com if we really want to, but Bing works a lot better. So let's just type in google.com or Google and then select it right here. And then we can go to Google. And you can see Google looks very old school compared to how Bing looks on here. So you can access the internet by just typing things in the search browser here right now. So let's go to n4g.com and then just check this out. Another thing is if you're trying to like save an image or something like that, you can take pictures of this web browser. Maybe you want to use this as a background. Then you can go to here and then go to edit, and then you can crop this in and zoom it in. So we can crop it right here. Then we can rotate it or reposition it, and boom, and then save it. Now you can use this as the welcome screen background on your PS5 Pro or PS5. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.